welcome back to the channel. You already know who it is. As you can see, your boy got a fresh cut.
Yes, sir. Yes,
My waves ain't coming in yet, but they definitely coming in. I'm about to have these hoes on swim, for real. I hope you guys had a super great new year. I hope you guys start off on the right foot, create that momentum, get all the shit that you desire. Today's video, man, I'm about to just break down a beat and I'm about to show you guys some like shit that I think Nardo Wick could get on, because I think it's like super tough. It was really inspired by a Nardo Wick record. If you've heard his album and you heard the song Power, that shit's super fire. I keep running that song back. Maybe it's because Hit Boy produced it, and that's always been like one of my favorite producers. I heard that shit and then I heard this melody and I was like, man, this sounds like some shit Nardo Wick could get on. That Melodies by 2-5 from the Young Producer Mafia and Marshak. Bruh, that shit is so fire. I super appreciate when like producers like stem out the beat, because it makes it a lot easier to work with. I know what you're thinking. Fam, why does he keep using this old ass version of FL? Why doesn't he upgrade? I did. I just happened to use this version to make this beat. It's kind of like spur in the moment type of thing. So I pitched that up and added parametric EQ, delay, and this plugin EQWise, which if you're familiar with this channel, you already know, like I tend to use this quite a bit. This is a basic ass EQ. I just like the little markers that they have for the EQ. I like it because it has the guides and stuff. It's no different than any other EQ. There's like a choir in here. Piano stab. There's like this ARP. It's kind of like sprinkles. This little melody right here is really the thing that reminded me of that song. That shit's super fire. As you can see from right here, look how many sounds I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I only use 7 sounds in this beat. I didn't even use this percussion. So I started off with this hi-hat. This is the MIDI from the Astro Boy kit. It's a kit that I'm coming out with. I'm probably gonna release it with this video. And the only thing I have on here, an Effectrix reverse. This only to add like a little bit of texture to it. If you watch previous videos, you know I like to like keep things very quiet. The bounce is always in the hi-hats. I use a second hi-hat. I use it as like a percussion, just to kind of like offset it, make it a little bit more weirder. The open hat. This is probably like the thing I was going like back and forth with. But outside of that, I just had to add everything to complement it. Super simple. It's the 808. Lastly, this kick, just to really set it off, like. As you know, if you've seen like my previous videos on drums, I add a lot of like sounds and then I like mute stuff out. As far as structure, nothing crazy. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is I did a little switch up right here with the 808s. Shit hard. This shit's hard. I like to switch little things up here and there just to kind of keep the excitement and keep the audience, you know, engaged. As far as like the mixing and shit, like honestly, I just make that shit hit, make it sound good, make it a moment, and then pass it off. And I know because everybody wants to know what's on the master channel, the EQ, just boosting up the highs, and a soft clipper, default settings. I'm just trying to make this shit hit. That's all that matters to me. Make this shit hit. So yeah, that's the beat. You already know I'm playing it as the outro. Go pick up the kit. If if I have it out already, which I probably do. I hope this gives you a confidence booster and lets you know like you don't gotta do too much. And also let me know if you guys hear like Nardo Wick on here, because this shit is fire and it's definitely going somewhere. Trust me. Also, go check out the new series that I got called The Framework. I got a ton of ideas and a ton of other episodes lined up. I even got an episode with 40 and how he does like, man, it's just so crazy. It's so dope. So make sure you guys go check it out. Like, comment, subscribe. I say go pick up the pack. Yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you guys next time.